Tom Hand here with Americana Corner. Today we are discussing the closing debate over our Bill of Rights. After the proposed Constitution was circulated to state legislatures for approval, it came under criticism for its lack of a Bill of Rights. As a result, although the proposed Constitution was quickly ratified by 5 states, it bogged down in other assemblies. The impasse was broken when several states agreed to create a Bill of Rights once the Constitution was ratified, which happened on September 13, 1788. James Madison, an early opponent of a Bill of Rights, eventually changed his position on the matter and led the effort to develop one. Madison's initial recommendation included 9 changes to the original body of the new Constitution rather than amendments. However, Federalists saw this attempt to modify the original text as a mistake. They argued these changes might undermine the credibility of the new document. Roger Sherman of Connecticut proposed placing all amendments at the end of the Constitution. Congress agreed and forwarded 12 proposed amendments to the states, of which 10 were approved. On December 15, 1791, these 10 amendments were ratified by Congress and became our Bill of Rights. So, why should our Bill of Rights matter to us today? Quite simply, life in the United States would not be the same without our Bill of Rights. They guarantee us freedom of religion and speech, ensure our home is our castle, protect us when charged with a crime, and much more. We must know and understand our Bill of Rights, or we can never hope to preserve them. Until next time, may your love of country lead you.